Welcome back. Quiet conditions starting your Thursday, a little cooler in parts of the state. We do have temperatures where the clear skies are dominant in northern lower Michigan. Back below freezing. It'll be brief. We will have a nice afternoon set in, but notice all of West Michigan except for our far northeast or eastern communities sit in the low 40s here this morning. We are at 41 degrees in Kentwood and mid to upper 40s out along the Lakeshore Holland. At the beach, believe it or not, registering 50 degrees. Inland, it's more 46, 47. But with clear skies, just a few high clouds, it'll set up to be a very, very nice day. So we're tracking the pleasant conditions for your Thursday. Some light rain is going to move in overnight. That's the initial warm front of what is going to be an active system moving in here this weekend. That's going to bring the cold front Saturday night into Sunday morning. Showers and storms possible in the first half of the weekend. Strong winds and rain as we get into the second half of the weekend. Both Saturday and Sunday will have pretty good rain chances. We have an unsettled weather pattern beyond that system. Fall temperatures dominate next week. We'll actually have afternoon highs in the 50s at some points. Maybe a day with below average temperatures. We haven't really had that the majority of October now. Live satellite and radar, you can see a few high clouds around this morning. Those showers are on that leading edge of that warm front as it sits right now in central Iowa. It is going to mean today with dry conditions, mid 60s for afternoon highs along the lakeshore, 65, 66 degrees. It will be slightly cooler when you get into the Grand Rapids area. Will be between 63, 64 degrees. It's going to be fairly comfortable. And then the further east you go will be a slightly cooler as well. That's just because of the east wind. It always sets up for those lakeshore communities to see the warmest temperatures. Now as we get to tonight, temperatures are going to start to warm back up. 49 degrees, isolated shower, most of that being north of Grand Rapids. So 20% tomorrow morning, but Saturday and Sunday, really want to emphasize Saturday night into Sunday morning is going to be our best chance of rain. We quiet things down Monday, and then the next system arrives Tuesday and Wednesday, already looking likely to see more rain as we get into the middle of next week. So the active fall weather pattern is finally here. There's that rain here into Friday morning. Again, as that warm front pushes that moisture east, I think by Friday morning, that daybreak commute will be okay. Maybe a few isolated showers. During the day, it's cloud covered, dry conditions. A southwest breeze starts to ramp up, and that's going to fuel some moisture into the region. So while we will be dry to start Saturday, we get to the afternoon and evening hours, that front starts to approach. That south wind continues to bring in moisture from the Gulf. We could have some heavy downpours at times. Our precipitable water values, meaning how much moisture will be in the atmosphere, will definitely support some decent thunderstorm activity with those downpours. So Friday morning's rainfall, a few isolated showers. Then we get to Saturday, Sunday, and it looks like some areas may eclipse an inch of rain over the 3-day window, which is great sight to see. We still need to chip away at the deficit. We're already running an inch deficit in the month of October. So the first system will be good at trying to offset that. Tuesday and Wednesday might be an even bigger surplus in the long term.